Meet Max. Max cares about the environment. He recycles, rides his bike to work, and encourages his friends to do the same. But Max always wants to do more. At work, Max and his boss Rob discuss ways to be green. Between them, they have several PCs and laptops at home, and their company has thousands of workstations and servers. They know that these systems are all wasting lots of power, but they're not satisfied with the current power management software. Then one day, Max hears about Granola. Granola is different. It can reduce the power consumption of his PC and laptop automatically, resulting in a reduction of Max's carbon footprint by as much as planting a tree each year. It does this without ever turning the system off, so Max can keep using his computers normally while saving as much as he can. Installing Granola made Max a part of a community that has made a huge impact on the environment, and the CO2 they save together is the equivalent of planting hundreds of thousands of trees annually. Knowing this made Max feel great, but it wasn't enough. Max shows Rob the versions of Granola for enterprise PCs and servers. These versions allow Rob to manage and track power on all of his systems. By purchasing and deploying Granola across his business, Rob's company is also doing its part for the environment. Finally, Max and Rob can rest easy knowing their computers are only using the energy they need. So, follow Max's lead. Stop letting your computers waste energy. Download Granola today to reduce your power consumption and talk to your company about a free trial. The environment will thank you.